order to download Python, open your favorite browser and search python.org and hit enter. Click on the first link and hover your mouse to the download. Goes to the Windows and here you find the latest version for Python is 3.8.3. You can also scroll down and download from the download section. Just click on the Python 3.8.3 and here your downloading becomes start. After downloading, you can right click on a file and open and then run. It opens a wizard format of installing the Python. Before clicking on install now, check the checkbox of add Python 3.8 to path and then click on install now. It will take some time. After some time, it says that your setup was successful. Click on finish or close. In order to check the version of your Python, click on the run button and open command prompt by typing cmd. In cmd, type python -- version. It shows that your version is Python 3.8.3. In order to check your Python is working or not, open IDLE and here you can type any statement. I am writing print hello world and hit enter. Here the output is hello world.